So we're talking about communication theory and how a strong knowledge of communication theory can be useful for you or anyone in the professional realm. Communication theory can kind of seem like a vague, kind of abstract concept or term, but a strong knowledge base of theories of communication is almost, I like to think of it like the psychology of communication. It can provide you with the framework for why people communicate the way they do and why we communicate the way we do. So in the professional world, this is invaluable because you can come to a situation feeling more equipped than you would have before if you have this kind of framework in the back of your head for the certain things that have already been laid out. Here's how this is often communicated in this situation. Certain techniques or certain repetitions or strategies that other people might subconsciously or unconsciously be using in their communication. It's like a tool of empowerment to have this knowledge. So not only does it provide this framework, but a knowledge of communication theory can in two ways enhance just personal growth, but communication skills as well and interpersonal skills. The first would be a knowledge of objective communication theories. So if you have a strong knowledge of these certain theories that are based on objectivity, you're going to be able to come into a situation or a communication dialogue and be able to look for the bottom line and the final number and just the facts or whatever it may be about the situation or conversation or written dialogue that's happening. Also, if you have a strong knowledge of subjective communication theories, you're going to be able to also not only look for the bottom line and the facts, but be able to read the nuances of a conversation or communication dialogue and be a little more subjective in reading emotions or whatever it may be. So not only are we better equipped if we have a strong knowledge of communication theory as individuals, subjectively and objectively to come into situations, we're also kind of just empowered by this knowledge of why certain things happen the way they do in conversation or in communication and why people, including ourselves, communicate the way we do.